Hello there, welcome back to yet another video about borehole drilling at Green Power International Limited. Well, when you know about Green Power International, when you hear about it, the first thing you think of is solar energy. But borehole drilling is one of the major services that we offer at Green Power International Limited. So today with me in this video, I have a special guest who's going to take you through the process of borehole drilling at Green Power International Limited, from hydrological surveys to casing installments.
Hello everyone, this is Engineer Simon here at GPI. I'm glad to be sharing with you something we're really proud of at GPI. And being a civil engineer, I am directly under the drilling department or the water department. So allow me to take you through how we really do the drilling exercise. Yes, drilling of borehole is a service here which we provide, and we are so proud that so far the customers we've given this service, they are really happy and so much excited about it, because we really go into details before we do the drilling. Here the drilling process starts by sending our team to the ground to do what we call groundwater exploration, and this process is just a step-by-step gathering of information. Let's say checking the geological data, topographical of that very area, because each client has a different area. So each area or each client is giving us now a new area to again and again research and search. So I'll take you through the steps we do before go into the actual drilling. In simple terms, we have stages. Yes, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Let me talk about first stage. The first stage involves us studying, analyzing the existing information. Let's say the hydrological and the climate. If the client is from Ajuman, the hydrological and the climate data of Ajuman will be analyzed. If this client is from Yantonde, again, we will analyze using the systems databases for this information. Then stage 2, we go ahead to find out what we call the hydrogeological. Now this is the stage where we practically go and carry out a field work or a field survey. Yes, we pick our machines into our vans and go on site. We really analyze from the site. Yes, we have different machines. Yes, let's say the one which uses resistivity, the one who uses electromagnetism, the one who uses seismic physics behind there. Okay, so from this information again we bring back to the desktop or the computer and again analyze to really see that client A has a good point or has a good source of water at such and such a point. This really analyzes water at the surface and deeper into lower aquifers, which are as deep as 300 meters deep. That's why at GPI we drill boreholes that serve for over 30 years, because we see which water table will this one stay if drought kick in. If we analyze that this one will not, then we penetrate deeper aquifers where water will never be scarce. Yes, during drilling, at times we encounter loose soils which falls. As you are drilling, it is falling. So to really capture that, to really solve that problem, we designed this kind of pipes which help us to hold back that falling soil so that we smoothly we proceed downwards. This is a harder piece of pipe, but after drilling and assembling or do the casing, then these ones are removed. Yes, when the drilling, when the desk study is finished and hydrogeological is also finished, there the engineer has really drawn a conclusion that there is water at such and such a point. So we call or we bring all our gadgets to really drill out that water. So this is the drilling bit, one of them, because we have many depending on the size we want to drill. Yes, as you can see, it's the one we assemble with the other machine to drill our water. And once we encounter a hard rock, yes, now we change this to this hammer. Yes, which help to break down that harder rock so that we can penetrate and really reach out to that rich aquifer which we analyzed using our gadgets that will be a source of water to us. After drilling the borehole and we've laid our pipes, we've cased and done everything, that water to reach safely to our cistern or the water tanks, we put in the boreholes the different sizes of the pumps. And here is this, just samples, and we have many. At GPI we have so many of them. Depending on the design, because we do the designing to see that which pump will serve best, depending on the head and the other parameters being considered during the designing process. So this one is a 3K pump, and this is a 1.1K. This one peak power from the solar panels, because at GPI we want to keep our environment healthy, and the solar energy is one of the sources of energy that is environmentally friendly. Okay, so we encourage that after drilling you use this much. This is an example of a borehole which is drilled and the pump is assembled. These boreholes are safe, very safe, because after everything we even go ahead to cover. We don't have incidences that something has fallen in, so that we want that water to really be safe and clean. Okay, we cover it completely. We cover it so that it stays intact. A child can play here. Everyone, the environment is safe. No incidences that someone has fallen into the pit. Professor.